guys, welcome back to my channel. I am just another Sneha and today we are doing a celebration video because we crossed 250 subscribers and I know it is not that much but for me it is, and that is why we are doing our first chit chat video. I'll be answering a few questions which you guys asked, so let's start.
Music.
Let's see the questions. Which standard and college? This question is by Sagar. I cannot tell the college name, but I'm doing my biomedical engineering and I'm currently in my third year. Okay. So the next question is, what motivated you to make a YouTube channel? Priyanka asked this question and Niranjana had a similar question. मेरी mom बहुत टाइम से मेरे पीछे पड़ी थी कि मेरे को YouTube channel, because अभी तक अब आपको पता चल गया होगा कि I'm obsessed with skincare and I love trying a lot of skincare products, DIYs. So she was like, you can share them with people, but I was avoiding her like anything. I was like, no, I don't want to make. But I actually thought of making one during lockdown. I was like, जिससे घर पे वेले बैठे रहने से अच्छा let's make videos and post them. And when I told her, like my mom, कि I'm making a channel, finally she was on cloud nine. She was more than happy. So yeah, my mom is the reason behind YouTube. The next question is by Sai. ब्यूटी टिप्स के अलावा कोई और वीडियोस बनाएगी? ऑफ कोर्स एज अ क्रिएटर मुझे जितना वैरायटी का कंटेंट बनाने मिला है डेफिनेटली मेक, बट फिलहाल मेरे दिमाग में जो भी आइडियाज है ना उन सबके लिए मुझे आउटडोर शूट करना पड़ेगा जो कोरोना की वजह से पॉसिबल नहीं है. बट या आई डेफिनेटली मेक अदर टाइप ऑफ वीडियोस आल्सो इन नियर फ्यूचर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाय श्रिया. एनी प्रोडक्ट रिकमेंडेशंस? प्रोडक्ट्स आई वुड रिकमेंड एलोवेरा जेल बिकॉज वो बहुत सारी डिफरेंट स्किन प्रॉब्लम्स के लिए अच्छा है. पिंपल्स के लिए अच्छा है. एज अ मॉइस्चराइजर यू कैन यूज इट एज अ प्राइमर एंड इट इज ऑल्सो गुड फॉर रिड्यूसिंग डार्क स्पॉट्स एंड डार्क सर्कल्स. सो यू कैन ट्राई एलोवेरा जेल. ब्रांड आई एम नॉट स्पेसिफाइंग बिकॉज आई पर्सनली यूज पतंजलि, बट कुछ लोगों को वाओ का भी अच्छा लगता है. यू कैन यूज एनी ब्रांड जो आपको सूट करे वो. ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज बाय नम्रा. Will the frequency of your videos decrease after lockdown as you would have to manage college as well? First of all, very nice question, and I don't think so the frequency will decrease because एक वीक में एक वीडियो पोस्ट करना is not a huge thing, and also I don't work alone on the channel. I have my best friend working with me, so we'll manage it. We'll post regularly even after college gets reopened. Okay, so the next question is by Sanskriti. What is your favorite movie? I'm not a movie person. I'm more into books, but I recently watched this movie called Dear Comrade, which was nice. It is not my favorite movie, but yeah, it was good. Okay, next question is by He Who Must Not Be Named. Do you have a crush on someone? Of course I have. Okay guys, only one is left. You better don't ditch me. You better don't ditch me. Now next question is by Abhi. Who are your besties from school and with whom are you still in contact with? Our entire 10th ka batch was very jolly and I cannot name people like 2-3 people because बहुत सारे लोग थे, and I'm in contact with almost all of them. Whenever we are in the same city, we definitely plan a get together and we meet, we talk. So I'm in contact with almost all of them. Next is by Krutika. What's your skincare routine? Skin and hair care routine, sorry, yeah. My skin and hair care routine is not that complex. It is very simple. Even if I make a video on it, वो 1 minute का भी नहीं बनेगा because इतना complex कुछ नहीं है. But yes, my skincare routine changes season के according because I told you I have a combination skin type. So season के according I have to keep changing things. But like if you want to see the video, I'll definitely plan making one soon. Okay, so the next question is by Meenal. Anyone proposed to you during lockdown? Okay. Next by Shubham. आईसाठी जमलं तर बनव एखादा व्हिडिओ. नक्की बनवेल, मला स्वतःला गरज आहे. नक्की I'll make a video. Okay, so the next question is by Robin. Your banana hair mask helped me a lot. Thanks. Can you make a video on chemical free hair products? Definitely. I hate using chemicals myself and I'm happy कि banana वाला hair mask work for you. Okay, so the next question is by Manas Patil. Waiting for your new blogs. Have you stopped writing stuff? No, I haven't stopped writing. I can never stop writing because majority of the times I express myself via my writings. So no, I haven't stopped writing. And I'm really happy to know कि you guys like reading my blogs. And yes, मैंने बहुत टाइम से कुछ पोस्ट नहीं किया था, but now I'll definitely post. Thank you so much. Okay, so now the last question. Tell your story, like how you kept yourself self-motivated, your eating habits and medical treatments you have taken during that phase of your life when you had acne-prone skin. This question is by Shruti. So, story time. Okay, so I started getting acne when I was in 8th standard, and the most difficult part was traveling because whenever we used to visit different places या फिर whenever we used to visit our native place, वहाँ का पानी मुझे सूट नहीं होता था, and my skin used to get so bad. I cannot even explain in words कि कितना बुरा हाल हो जाता था मेरी स्किन का. I used to get scared कि how will I go back to school looking like this. And yes, there were some guys in my class who used to literally make fun of those stupid temporary pimples. I used to feel so bad that time because I was a 14-year-old super sensitive girl, and for them it was just a source of entertainment, but it was really not cool. And I'm not mad at them right now because they were not doing it purposely to, you know, to hurt me, but it used to hurt. And that is why I would like to tell you guys कि please do not tease anyone on how they look, because physically तो उससे कुछ harm नहीं होगा, but confidence level एकदम zero, एकदम minus में चला जाता है. So just don't do that. And Shruti, if you are going through a bad skin right now, I would just tell you कि जितना motivation तुम्हें खुद से मिलेगा उतना किसी और से नहीं मिलेगा. I used to literally stand in front of the mirror and talk to myself. I used to tell myself कि Sneha, you are God's masterpiece and He's still working on you, and one day you will definitely have a clean and clear skin. I remember after trying everything, I even tried that Safi, but कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ा. Lastly, my mother took me to a homeopathic doctor, and the first thing she asked me was to stop using all the chemicals. And that's what I did, and she asked me to drink a lot of water. She asked me to keep my skin clean. So yeah, then I switched to home remedies because I was happy with the results. And the best thing about time is that it is not stagnant, and from people teasing me on my skin to people asking me what I do to my skin and how is it so clear, it really feels nice. And even if you're going through a bad phase in your life right now, not only about skin, but even if there's any other issue, I would just tell that let time do its magic. And yeah, so that's all for today. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because it is very important, and hit the bell icon.
I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.